Odd USD is actually on a bearish market move, like you can see here. This market has always been bearish. This move here, this move here. So, and the trend line was broken. So we have been spotting this zone ever since, waiting for the market to come to this zone here. So what we did was, we saw that resistance zone there. Now you can actually say this is the zone where we say support becomes resistance, but it has just been crazy because it came back to this order block here, this first order block here that took the move to the downside. So this market has been bearish. What we did was we waited for the market in the 30 minutes and we drew our trend line. And actually this market came to the zone here, came here and retested this trend line. So what we did, we waited for the market to change structure. And what did we get? The first structure it broke here was the trend line. Let me take this out so it will be clearer. See, this was the first trend line. As you can see, price has actually been moving here for over a time now, and actually it went up and broke the trend line. But now there's something some folks fail to understand. When the structure is being broken, the market doesn't just move like that. Like you can see this small candle here, someone can be selling here and be like, I think this market is going to fall. Someone can just come and be selling here, and guess what? You would have been stopped out by the market. So this is a breakout, and what we have to do is wait for the market to come back to the trend line. This whole thing here was just playing out the market was there for a while. I missed that entry, and when I got out, I got discovered the market came back down and gave me another entry here. So I drew my trend line, and that was how I got to enter the trade from this zone here.